Saan na naman tayo, Ellen?
Here we are in Oslo Opera.
There, that was
Norway.
Turo mo nga, Ellen.
Yeah, dami mo. Wow, it's very nice here. And that one. Yeah,
That one.
the boat. It's a cruise boat. You can go to Bali. Yeah, Oslo Harbor. Yeah, here is Oslo Harbor. Yeah.
Yes.
So
we're going to
Akabrige.
Alcabriga, River's favorite place. So, Ellen.
Hello.
Saan tayo, Ellen?
We are here in Akas Specimen. Yes.
Ayan. Ito kami ng bridge sa daan kami dyan. Ang bridge. Tapos yung bridge na walang tubig. Yan. 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 Ano yan?
Ang precious.
Ito kami dyan, guys. Turista siya dito. First time daw niya din dumaan. Matagal na siya dito sa Oslo.
Ang first time na.
First time niya. Kaya tourist guide talaga ako. Then pasok kami dyan.
Vlogger na ba ako na?
Saan ka na, Ellen? Dito ako sa
Hello guys, we are here. The City Hall.
their city hall in Oslo.
The City Hall ng Norway.
Oslo.
Oslo. That is the Nobel Peace Center over there. And the National Museum Park. And there's the cute
Yan.
with the boat.
Yan.
Actors is Pesning over there, okay. Up. So this is the very cherry sunflower.
Sunflower.
Cherry sunflower.
Yes. Sunflower.
Yeah.
At saka yan si Ellen. Ano naman tayo?
We are here in the Fridays
Sa
Akabrige.
Agabriga. Kumain kami
Yes.
dyan.
Daldigot,
Busog-busog yung laki ng tiyan namin. Gumat. Kumain kami lang. Magandang marami pagkain.
There's a lot of moke, sigon.
Yeah, seagulls. Saan ka naman, Ellen? Where are you now?
I'm here at the end of the
At the end of the world. You're in the museum yan, museum. Yeah. You're a pregnant. I'm a pregnant too. And the father, who's the father?
Dalas, ano ito?
Dalas father, Dalas.
Dalas Gala in the city.
Dalas gala in the city.
Because
So,
we come back to go back again to her
please,
place.
tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Down the aisle.
Kantahan mo ako, dali. Dito tayo kasi may mga tao dyan.
Wow, it's so big here. Look at that. It's a house. Nice Oslo. Oslo.
Yeah.
Oslo.
It's nice. Ganda, no? Di ba? Ito ang the end. Paliguan. Tayo kukuha ng mga ano nila. Paliguan. This is color line. There. Where are you? Ano naman si Ellen? Yan si Elaine, guys. Hinahap na yung
Pag kumanda ka, parang